Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, anti-lock brakes, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home link garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.